Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking back in on natural gas. Bulls in full force. On Friday we closed just above that 263 double top, so bulls broke resistance and there is that extreme bullish follow through. RSI is 81 on the daily time frame, did get an increase in bullish volume, and what we're watching is the key 100-week moving average resistance of 278. The contract here on Stocktwits.com has natural gas hitting 278 today. On some different things, I'm using investing.com and they've got 276 as the top. But either way, that 100-week moving average resistance is going to be a very key level to watch. We have held this upper Bollinger Band as support on a breakout now for 4 weeks in a row. And if we lose that upper Bollinger Band support while being rejected from that resistance, we will look for some normal healthy consolidation. And at this point, the bulls are almost going to be welcoming that normal healthy consolidation, because the higher we go up without it, the more swiftly we're going to drop. That being said, if the bulls do continue and end this week strong, depending on the inventory report and all those other factors, and turn this 100-week moving average into support, we're looking back here at 285 and 290s. There was a sideways trading period back in the summer of 2015, and we're now in those prices. So we should see some resistances at these levels, but we're close to changing this trend here on the longer-term weekly natural gas chart. We already have our higher high occurring, and if we get above these key levels from back in 2015, it's going to be a very significant bullish break on natural gas. So we're using these shorter term time frames here, and natural gas here on the hourly after this breakout is consolidating, but it's potential that it's just a bull flag for continuation to the upside. A bull flag is when you have parallel support and resistance lines, and then it breaks and continues to the upside. So that remains to be seen. Still pulling back at this point. The 4-hour chart, bearish reversal candlestick not being confirmed at the moment, and daily chart, bulls in full control. So that is what we're looking at here. Very tough to make a bet against natural gas after all this bullish action, but if you are going to be making a bet against the bulls, you are going to be exiting if we see higher highs. That is always your exit point. So we saw that tough 263 multiple top of resistance. That was fine to make a top fishing play is what I call it, and a bearish bet against that resistance. But as soon as 263 turned into support, that's when you exit. So as long as the tight stop loss is in place, risk isn't too high, reward is pretty good, because if you're right, you get the top. And that's a potential play up here, but again, bulls still in full control. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in. Have a wonderful night.